Hi, my name is Sonia and we are CiMa-Pak. Today we're going to talk to you about trays. Food trays, APET, CPET trays. You can see we have a very wide selection. I'm sure we have what you're looking for. We're going to help you learn a little bit about it so that you can make an excellent decision for your business. We're going to talk about first the APET trays. Clear, very crystal clear, great for pastas, salads, enhances the look, seal it, gets a little longer shelf life. CPET trays are 100% recyclable, and in fact recyclable over and over. Up to 70% of them is made already of recycled water bottles. They are also excellent for using in the oven or the microwave. So you can go from the freezer to the oven to the table. They become rigid enough to eat from, and they can withstand temperatures down to -40 up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. When you're choosing your trays, you want to have a few things to consider: the size, and also that you get some versatility. We have some favorites. Our most popular are the 2171 series, the smaller ones here. We have two different depths. We have a 2-compartment, excellent for individual size meals, lunch sizes, even children's sizes. Another series we have is what we call the 2227 series. This, we have single compartment. These are all the same except for their height. The 2-compartment, 3-compartment, different styles, different depths. So really you can find the tray that you're looking for. You just have to call us. The larger trays, here we have the 2325 series. We have shallow 2-compartment and quite deep ones. These are all excellent quality, very uniform. You can see they're very easy to denest for your high production situations, and very uniform, so you know you're getting a great quality tray. The CPET trays can all be sealed. If you seal them on a manual sealer like our Compact 2 or our Classic, you're going to have a small overhang on your film, but it's going to give you great versatility. If you're sealing on our Repeater Plus, you're going to get the film is going to be cut to the shape of the tray, so it enhances your presentation, really makes it nice for retail. Let's say you want a longer shelf life, you might do a modified atmosphere packaging where you're going to draw a vacuum and inject the gas. This is also going to cut the film to the shape of the tray. Here you have also a great example of cutting the film to the shape of the tray. So these, you see here some examples: lasagna, turkey in large trays, then you have family meals, chicken, rice. If you want to brand your meals, you might go for something a little bit different. You can brand your meal perhaps through color, red and black, green and black, or perhaps you have meals that look better in white. White is also an option. Another thing, bowls. Of course, lots of things are better in bowls. Soups, of course, different sizes, or maybe you have puddings in very small size bowls. The tally tray, 8 compartments, perfect for the Indian tally. If you want to brand, branding is also a possibility. We can emboss your name on the bottom of the tray. Those are for larger runs. Pizza, we have this new program out where, just like the salad bar, your customers can top their own pizza at the store with all the toppings they choose, put the lid on the tray, take it home, put the whole thing right in the oven and right to the table after that. Practically homemade because all the ingredients are the chosen ones. Meats can be enhanced with skin packaging. This is a new program coming out where you can preserve the flavors and the moisture of the meat in the skin packaging. So you see there are a lot of possibilities. I'm sure we can help you with your application. You have to just call us 1-877-631-2462. Let us know what you'd like to do, how many you'd like to do, and we will help you choose the right tray. Just call us 1-877-631-2462, and we are CiMa-Pak. Thanks for listening.